today we'll get inside, we'll tear out the kitchen. All the cabinets will go like normal. All the flooring every place, all the carpet, all the trim on the windows. Windows will be getting replaced, so all the trim will come off of there, all the closet doors. We'll go to the basement, we'll tear all the paneling off the walls, get all the flooring off down there, get the bar tore out every place. And what else we got going in here? The bathroom, get in there, all the tile in the bathroom will go, floor, wall, tub. Get all tore out, the vanity, toilet, get everything out. So let's get rocking.
Headstrong, keep you moving along, keep you moving up, move it up, move it up. Round come till the wall on gone. You got them giving up, give it up. Come on, don't let it slip away.
Turn the power off downstairs at the main breaker so we can get rid of this cooktop here. So I'm just cutting the wires so we can pull it out and get it out of the way so we can get the cabinets all demoed.
51st. It's a good workout.
So I'm hiding out in my favorite room. This is about the safest place to be right now. We're not doing much work in this room, but as you can see, we did a lot to the kitchen. It took 3 of us to complete the demo. Now it'll be ready for our maple cabinetry and our granite countertops. Not quite sure if we should do ceramic tile or hardwood floors. Please, if you could give us your comments below, let us know what you're thinking. Now I'm going to take you into the Pepto-Bismol room. They didn't come through with their sponsorship. Let's go check it out and see what they're doing.
Yeah, we need to get a new garage door for this place too.